What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm excited. I finally got a lip for the M3. It came in the mail, so we're gonna go get it installed today. I'm excited. So we're gonna head over to the stand shop. You guys remember in the video back, that's where I had the lowering springs installed. So I'm gonna go over there today and have them install this lip. So we're almost there, and let me tell you, man, as I'm driving through New York, these potholes are terrible, yo. Like, I literally wanted to get out of my car and like fight these potholes. I hit a few bad ones, so I'm a little bit nervous with installing this lip. I don't know how long it's gonna last with the streets being this bad, especially since it snowed a lot, so that's another reason why the streets are extra bad. All right, so we made it. Already got some nice beamers outside. Yeah, I'm excited to get this installed. Wow, check out this F80 right here. I love the color on this. This is tough right here. Oh my gosh, look at this E36. This is clean. Clean E36 M3. Man, this makes me want an E36 so bad right now. Damn, the interior is clean too. Oh, this is fresh right here. So I got the lip installed. Shout out to Keith for installing it. I'm a bit nervous coming out of this driveway. I don't want to scrape my lip already. All right, guys, so we got the lip on. I'm excited. I'm nervous also because like there's a lot of potholes, so I'm like trying to dodge every pothole so I don't crack the lip. But before I show you guys how it looks, I want to get the car washed up and cleaned, and then I'll show you guys how the car looks with the new lip. All right, guys, here we have it. M3 with the new lip. Loving the way it looks. Definitely looks a little bit more aggressive. Wow. So far what we got done to the car, we got the lip, we got it lowered on Eibach lowering springs with 15mm spacers all around. What else? We wrapped the chrome trim black, gloss black. I think I want to get a diffuser at some point. Definitely want to update the tail lights, get some LCI tail lights on here. Wow. Also want to do something with the headlights. I want to update them, get something a little bit more aggressive. Woo! Can't wait till when it's summer, spring, when it's a lot warmer, we could drop the top. See how the car looks with the top down and the new lip. Then at some point I want to wrap the car. Still got a lot of stuff I want to do to the car. But yeah, guys, I appreciate you guys for watching the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.